Hey there! Are you struggling with your TP-Link extender that keeps disconnecting? This week I'll guide you through a series of simple yet effective solutions on how to fix TP-Link extender keeps disconnecting. TP-Link extenders are great devices for boosting your Wi-Fi coverage, but constant disconnections can be frustrating. Let's explore the steps to ensure your connection remains stable and reliable, helping you enjoy seamless internet throughout your. Step 1. Check the extender's placement. The first step in troubleshooting your TP-Link extender's connectivity issue is to check its placement. Ensure the extender is within the range of your main router. Ideally, it should be placed halfway between the router and the area you want to cover. Avoid physical obstructions such as walls, appliances, or metal objects that could interfere with the signal. A clear line of sight often provides a stronger and more stable connection. Step 2. Update the extender's firmware. Outdated firmware can lead to performance issues, including frequent disconnections. Visit the TP-Link support website to check for any firmware updates for your extender model. Follow the instructions on how to download and install the latest firmware. Regular updates ensure optimal performance and can resolve existing bugs that may be causing the connectivity problem. Step 3. Optimize extender's setting. Reassessing and optimizing the settings on your TP-Link extender can solve disconnection issues. Start by accessing the extender's web interface by entering its IP address in your browser. Check the wireless settings and ensure the channels do not overlap with other nearby networks, which can cause interference. Use Wi-Fi scanning tools to determine the best channel with the least interference. Additionally, check for any power-saving modes that might be enabled, as these can sometimes lead to disconnection. Step 4. Check DHCP settings. Having conflicting DHCP settings can cause devices to lose connection. Ensure the default IP settings are correct and that your router is responsible for assigning IP addresses, not the extender. To do this, disable the DHCP server on the extender via the web interface, allowing your main router to manage IP assignments. This can help stabilize the connection between your devices and the internet. Step 5. Reset and reconfigure the extender. When all else fails, resetting the extender to its factory settings might be necessary. Use a pin or paper clip to press the reset button on the extender for about 10 seconds. After the reset, go through the setup wizard to reconfigure the device. Ensure you input the correct Wi-Fi credentials during reconfiguration. Fresh start can often resolve persistent connectivity issues. Step 6. Consider interference. Electronic devices like microwaves, cordless phones, and Bluetooth gadgets can interfere with Wi-Fi signal. Make sure your TP-Link extender is not placed near such devices. Switching to a 5 GHz band, if your extender supports it, might also reduce interference, as it is less congested compared to the 2.4 GHz. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of a TP-Link extender that keeps disconnecting. From checking its placement to updating the firmware and adjusting settings, each solution is aimed at enhancing your Wi-Fi stability. Remember, a reliable internet connection enhances your digital experience, whether you're streaming, gaming, or working from home. We hope this guide helps you make the most of your TP-Link extender and enjoy uninterrupted connectivity. Happy surfing!